Congratulations, you made it. No more touring homes on the weekends. No more competing against 13, 14, 20 buyers. You are in contract to buy a home with a property owner. You may be wondering, what does the next 30 days look like? So today we're going to go through that process with you step by step so you can have a realistic expectations on what to expect during the next 30-day escrow process. Number one, now you're in contract. This is a time for you to log in a mortgage interest rate with your lender. You want to provide your mortgage lender with all the necessary documents for them to push your loan file through underwriting so you can close on time at the end of 30 days. Next, you want to order an appraisal report as soon as possible. Your mortgage bank is going to want to make sure what you offer could actually justify according to market. So the appraisal needs to be ordered as soon as possible. Number three is you want to start looking for a homeowner's insurance. Typically, what you have in auto insurance, try to bundle your homeowners with auto policy within the same insurance carrier. But recently, a lot of insurance companies stopped underwriting new policies here in California. There are still many viable options, so you want to start shopping for a homeowner's policy. There's the time of recording, which is May of 2024. There are still several major insurance companies that underwrites a homeowner's policy here in California. For example, AAA, Progressive Insurance, Geico Insurance, Allstate Insurance are still underwriting property and casualty policy here in California. Number four, if you made a contingent offer as your agent, I will help remind you of when the contingency removal is due. If you have an inspection contingency, we might need to schedule a home inspection. If you have a loan contingency, I will work closely with your loan officer to make sure that the loan process is smooth. If you have an appraisal contingency, I'll follow on when the appraisal appointment is made and completed. Number five, if you intend to move into your new home, this is a good time to give your landlord a 30-day notice in anticipation of the move. Number six, if your source of down payment comes from stocks or investment portfolio, this is a good time to liquidate many of your stock and bond portfolio. Keep in mind that many investment firms have a liquidation processing period where the money won't become liquid until a week or so later. So liquidate your down payment as early as possible in anticipation of closing. Number seven, 1 week before closing, I will schedule a walkthrough appointment with you for us to go through the home one more time to make sure the property condition is consistent as when we made an offer. There's no big surprises, so everything is good to move forward. Number eight, 2 to 4 days before closing, I will schedule a signing appointment with the help of an escrow and title company. And what this appointment is basically you will need to sign all the closing paper, the deed of trust, the grant deed, which are two piece of paper that would be recorded in the county to ensure that you are the new owner and the recorded owner in the county, along with loan documents and other closing documents will have to be signed off with a wet signature. So we will schedule a signing appointment 2 to 4 days before closing. Number nine, you also want to wire the rest of your down payment into the escrow account at least 2 to 3 days before the close of escrow to avoid any delay in closing. Number 10, on the scheduled closing date, I will work with the escrow company to confirm the new ownership has officially gone on county record. And once that happens, you are, congratulations, the official owner. We will arrange for keys to be transferred to your possession within the same day, typically in the afternoon of a closing date. And I know there's a lot of details I just went through, and don't worry, you can't remember any of that. I will be reminding you along the way throughout this process and congratulate you on the closing day and usher you on into your new home.